Dumela nna ke nna mme mama ba ke presenter mphaka go David Hall.
Sanibonani, mina ngubaba Mloko, Bishop Mloko, ngimele abafundisi base-David Hall.
Sanibonani, the residents of the City of Peace, City of Ikululeni, Gamalana Councillor Leshaka, I'm a member of Mayoral Committee, responsible for environmental resources and waste management in the City of Ikululeni, of which Parks and Cemetery falls under. Thank you very much.
Sanibonani, my name is Sizo Baba. I'm the manager for cemeteries and crematorium under the Department of Waste Resources Management.
Greetings, I'm Tabitha Mahato, representing Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department. Thank you.
Sanibonani, angibonise Kule, okhulumayo uNdlunankulu iThidlame, ngibuya ebukhosini bamaNtungwa, representing traditional leadership.
Goeiemorgen, allemaal die woorden. Mijn naam is Adam Adams, ik vertegenwoordig de begrafenisondernemers lokaal. Dank u.